National Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Itsaca County, northern Aitkin County and east central Minnesota, eastern Cass County, west central St. Louis County and northeastern Minnesota, until 9:15 a.m. At 8:11 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles south of Marseille to near Cohasset to near Grand Rapids to near Hill City, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hibbing, Grand Rapids, Virginia, Chisholm, Eveleth, Mountain Iron, Cohasset, Coleraine, Gilbert, Keaton, Buell, Nashwauk, Deer River, Cherry, Cook, Taconite, Warba, Toivola, Zeppel, and McCarthy Beach State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.